All right, for today's video, we have the official case, the official with the capital O from Google for the Pixel 8 Pro. What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard. Now, before we do anything, we want to protect our beautiful Pixel 8. And we got the official Pixel 8 Pro case from Google. As always, very googly packaging from them. Boom, you got an image of the case. We went ahead and went with the coral this time around. DG Pixel 8 Pro case. Hashtag Team Pixel. Let's go. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what this case is all about. Very nice packaging for a case. Whoa. Right off the back, very soft touch matted material. I like how that G, that's not a cutout, guys. That is a chrome insert on that G, which absolutely looks fantastic. Look at that. I love it. Inside, it is lined with microfiber, so it's going to keep your precious Pixel nice and protected. You do have Pixel branding right there, but look at this. It absolutely looks fantastic. Let's go ahead and grab the Pixel 8 Pro. Nice, snug feeling. It snapped in place. Absolutely like to hear that. This is tempered glass screen protector friendly. I am rocking the Whitestone Dome screen protector. Bam, look at that. Haven't even set up the device yet because I have to protect it. But look at this bad boy. This thing is just vibrant. If you want to be noticed, go ahead and pick yourself up this case. They're going to notice you a mile away. The buttons are chrome, just like the insert there. They are nice and tactile, very responsive. You can hear that clickiness. You can feel that clickiness. It's a satisfying feeling there. The cutouts are nice and precise. No issues with the cutouts on top. Boom, no issues. Look at that. Boom. You do have very little lip protection there for the camera mount. So you are protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. You're not going to scratch up that camera lens. And you do have the same of lip protection there around the front display of the Pixel 8 Pro. Even with the tempered glass screen protector, you still have nice lip protruding over it. So you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. You're not going to scratch up that beautiful screen. And I do mean beautiful screen this time around from the Pixel 8 Pro. And obviously this is going to wirelessly charge. It is not MagSafe compatible, but it does wirelessly charge. That'll be cool if Pixel did a MagSafe case. It'll have been awesome. Let's go ahead and put this bad boy on there. Bam. As you can see, it wirelessly charges with no issues. So there you have it, guys. This is the official Google Pixel case in coral. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go ahead and pick this up for you. They do have other colors. I think they have that bay blue and hazel and some other ones, but this absolutely looks and feels fantastic. Boom. Nice soft touch. Does not add too much bulk. Boom. Looks and feels amazing. Please like, share, and subscribe. And again, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.